And again, happy Thursday to you. Again, my name is Dr. Craig McLeod. Welcome to the Elite Traders University presentation of our Learn to Earn Forex Scalping Asia. And before we get started, let's go ahead and go before the Lord in prayer. Heavenly Father, thank you for this day, this beautiful Thursday, all the wonderful people online. Bless them and bless us and bless the people who are trading and open their eyes for trading opportunities to keep us in the right trading direction. And we just thank you for your love and your healing and your blessings on our lives. In Jesus' name, amen. All right. Amen. There we go. Here we go. Let's see what's going on in the market. And what we got going on? Just going to pull up our My Market heat map and see what is happening. What be happening in the market? We have Jackson Hole, the meeting of the central bankers in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, and a lot of kind of sideways movement. Not a lot going, not a lot of whole shit, lot of shaking going on. But let's go ahead and we'll check out My Market heat map, and we'll check out the market, the overnight market, find out what's going on, what went on, and save. Share screen. So share screen 2 and share some sound. And let's make this happen. All right. My market heat map. The arrangement of currency pairs by percentage change tells us what's popping, what's hopping, what's dropping, what's not. Big howdy do to also our YouTube people who are watching us on a delayed feed. And hopefully one day you'll upgrade to VIP where you can be with the cool kids. Okay. All right, let's take a look at what's going on in the market. Dollar is in the seat, in the front driver's seat right now. We have dollar end up 0.75%, closing at 148.36, at a high of 48.39, coming from a low of 47.25. Pretty big rise. Dollar Swiss up 0.5% at 0.8086, low of 0.8040. Dollar CAD following up, 0.25% up, 1.3904, high of 1.3911. So we're just a few pips off the high, coming up from a low of 1.3872. And then the pound got it pounded down a third of a percent. The euro down a third of a percent. Aussie down 0.2% as well, bringing up the red, the downward trending. Red means downtrend, green means uptrend, gray means stay away. So we're probably going to stay away from the Kiwi right now once it breaks out. Okay. We'll refresh, take a look at the economic calendar, see what's going on there. Is there anything we have inflation rate out of Japan coming out at 7:30, about 20 minutes, year-on-year inflation rates. So our yen pairs will probably be in play. Might give us something to look at. And that's about it. We have some German data coming out at 2 a.m., but we won't be here. So let's go ahead and also take a look at take a CNBC, take a look at the business news and see whatever headlines are up there. And we have Powell set to deliver big Jackson Hole speech Friday. Here's what the street expects. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is up like 0.1%, 62 points, not a whole lot. S&P futures also about the same. These are futures. Okay. Overnight. Ooh, we had the big kind of a drop, third of a percent. And then the Dow Jones Industrial Average down 152.81, S&P 500 down 0.4%, 63.70, spot 17. NASDAQ down a third of a percent, 21,100, spot 31. Russell 2000 actually shook the trend, bucked the trend up 0.2%. NASDAQ, the tech-heavy NASDAQ, there was a report that a lot of retail traders are dumping their tech stocks, right? And so, sell. We're in this kind of fall in, kind of blase, where it's uncertainty, with fall coming up and things like that. But Jerome Powell speaking tomorrow, that's gonna be huge. But it's a Friday too, so everything might be just trading in a range ahead of this big announcement. No one really wants to get out in front of that. And people might just take the day off and say, I don't want to get in front of this guy. Anyway, so let's go to my market heat map. All right, you just go to our majors. We looked at dollar yen. Went up at 0.75%. Let's take a look. I have a long on the euro. Oh, but it's down like $90, so not even a full pip. Not particularly too confident about it. We had a double bomb at 160.01. I was thinking we get maybe a push up to 116.18. But it took so long to get across, and I probably paid spreads and stuff on that. So I'm not really excited about it. Again, we do have Japanese news coming up. So maybe the yen pairs gives us some kind of solace. CAD yen's up 0.7%. Take a look at CAD yen. And we can look at a 30-minute chart. And we can actually take a look-see there. And no 30-minute chart, we have nice uptrend, higher highs and higher lows until we get some type of a break. Could be some type of a head and shoulders, could be bearish. I'm actually going to use that. Okay. Oof, and I have it attached to the wrong time frame. Oh. Okay, there we go. Oh, okay, that's pretty. And here is a 1-minute chart. A 1-minute pullback. And is this some type of an A, B, C? And look for some really big drop that could fill that gap. Are we flashing some type of predictive function? Repeat NMDE. We did have an ABC correction and another ABC. And so we've got news coming out in 20 minutes. And so we'll see if any currency pair gives us a little bit of maybe a heads up. We looked at the Euro yen, Swiss yen, CAD yen, Aussie yen. Ooh, that Aussie yen looks kind of bearish, right? You got a nice little like shoulder, head, shoulder, or 3, 4, 5, ABC, 1, 2. I don't like puzzles. I kind of want to see something that's going to be pretty straightforward. Look at the JSX index or JXY. JXY. That's our this going up means the yen is getting stronger and yen pairs would go lower, right? So we would expect something on this chart that looks something like this, where the JSX goes up and then your yen pairs would go down. Nothing really. We do have 30-minute support down here at 97.33. We're at 42. Our quarter line is at 25. And our other quarter line is at 50. So we're closer to 50 than we are to 25. Aussie yen, okay, well, it's starting to bounce and we got some support. Let's see if we got long at 93.31. And I'm probably gonna just go see if we can get 5 pips out of that. Oh, that's 1.5 pips. Maybe we can get 5 pips out of that 90. That's more than 5 pips because the pip value on the yen pairs is a little bit less. I think it's like 67 cents a pip or $6.70 a pip. It's not $10 a pip. Okay. Let's see, Aussie yen. About 12 minutes before the news comes out. News supposed to come out at 7:30. I probably gonna put a stop on there. Maybe like a 1-to-1. Risk 1 to make 1 with a bias, north bias. Okay. Time to go. Let's see if we can all right. It's time.
Bye, bye, bye.
Let's get this going. If we were to do a fib, our 30% retracement would be 67.65. Our 23% retracement is 67.55. And our 11% retracement is at 67.46. Oh, I got the wrong, sorry. And if I switch this around. Aussie yen. Like those numbers don't match, you know? Night. Yeah, if you're looking at your oscillator in the 30 minutes, we got a nice big bullish oscillator above the zero line. Hint, hint. Let's go. All right. 74.38. 87.91. Said that too early. Oh, went negative a little bit. Yeah. Come on. Back in the green. And move that stop up. Okay. 95.31 by 33. And we've got about this is kind of a risky trade because the news is going to come out and I'm actually getting in ahead of the news. I'm hoping that we can maybe get a news spike and we can pick up 5 quick pips. If not, we'll lose 250, right? All right. 95.32 by 34. 2 pips spread. $60.86. There we go. Woohoo! Oops. Oh, wait. 223. $196. Let's go. Keep pushing. Okay, 169.05. Let's go. We got about 5 minutes left before the release of the Japanese inflation numbers. Imminent, imminent. announcement is imminent, and we can actually pull up my market heat map and actually go to the trader tools. We can actually tools. Logged in, right? We can go to the financial news stream right there, right? Really? Log in and go back to register. Log in. Okay, let's. A financial news stream is under tools. And loading news. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. Forex news on. One 148.76 and 95.33 by 36. Aussie dollar versus Japanese yen. Our take profits at 95.39 for a total a little over 5 pips. And we have our live news feed stream on the side so we can like see what the news comes out. Yeah, about 2 minutes. Sit in your chair, sit up straight. Move that stop up, maybe. Break even. If you get stopped out for $33, it's better than a sharp stick in the eye, right? We'll either make money or we'll make money. Let me think. I want to make money. Oh, I guess I made money. I got stopped out. Okay. We got stopped out with money. That was fast. I guess the spread widened out too. 32 by 34 was the spread. Right. Well, we made money. We didn't lose anything, but we'll see that. So also another real-time feed on Forex Factory. JPY, pending. So here we got pending. 3.0 versus 3.3. 3.3 is the previous number. And look at that. Imminent 3.1. It came in higher than forecast. CPI inflation higher than forecast. Forecast was 3.0. Previous number was 3.3. Market's playing on what to do with this, right? Let's go to 15-second chart. Give it a little ABC correction. And we probably should have been on the 15-second chart. But that's okay. Sit at the 200 moving average. Looks kind of bearish. I'm going to take a short. Take a shot at a short. Stop loss above the high. Only 4 pips above the high. 4 pips is like 37 as a stop loss. And take profit. Let's see. There's a bunch of support down here. Let's say we get 10 pips out of that after the news. Let's say we grab 10 pips. That's a pretty good risk to reward there on the short. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, I take profit on the euro. Hey, that's great. Hey, that's great. There we go. There we go. Come on. So short at 95.26, looking for a move down to 95.14. That gives us a 1.97 to 1 risk reward, almost a 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio. You move that line out of the way. Remove and turn on the jitterbug. I need big numbers. There we go. See what's going on here. And let's zoom in on the price action. You have these candles. That's the 30-minute. I'm thinking we have a 3, 4, 5 as a wick on the news. And then maybe we start a little ABC. 95.20. Let's see. Or we can take a Fibonacci from the low. It gives us a really nice target, nice juicy target, right? 95.13 is a nice 23% juicy target. 95.13. Oh, we're at 14. Okay, well, that's makes sense. If you haven't gotten in yet, don't worry, we're doing a little bit of a retracement against this giant barreling move. In fact, you have a Fibonacci retracement going on right now. Oh, it's a little vertical squeeze up. 38% retracement, 95.30. Small body candle inside day. This is your range, your inside range bar. Another small, there you go. Small body range, reversal, right? And I'll probably hit one more. One more slab of bacon on the grill. There we go. Hey, what's up there? I see Badesh. Do you trade NQ, the futures? Uh, no, but my group does during the day during New York session. New York session is really where you find most of your volume on NQ. But I would say that NQ would be falling. I'll let me check the chart for you. Let me go to NQA. Nasdaq futures, right? Um, uh, Ooh, inside day on the bearish move. Ooh, that could be a reversal. It could be nasty because we have a double bottom. But here's our, but oh, two little stars. Here's our NQ for Babish. Flow with Babish, right? I don't know. Nothing, not, I don't see a lot. Everything went backwards. There we go. Yeah, I don't know. I think I would be bearish that lower high, lower low, lower high. I don't trade this, but I would be bearish, right? I mean, I could put like a small position, see what happens, right? Eh, yeah. Oh, look at the spread. Wow, it's like way out of there. Woo. Ah, ah, my goodness. Goodness gracious. I don't subscribe to the data, so that's probably why I get. We'll see if that ever comes back down here. Apparently you trade NQ, you have NQ in your logo, Babish. It's coming down. I guess my data on the futures is delayed, what, 20 minutes? So maybe that was like where it was 20 minutes ago. But I'm bearish, right? I'd say I'll be bear.
Sell, sell, sell.
All right. So yeah, I'm mostly I'm a Forex guy. I uh I don't do I don't do chicken. Come back to that one. And then so it was a spread, a delayed feed. It's like, that was ugly. Oh, where is this? Oh, is this way up there? Right? I gotta stop way up there, huh? Uh, where that came from. All right. Come on. Like he put his toe in the water. Oh, it's too hot or it's too cold. Yeah, three dojis drop. Three, four, five. A, B, C. We're trying to get back somewhere, right? We're trying to. Oh, that's what. Yeah, here we go. I'm like, where? Yeah, your pip values are different. Your spreads are different. Yeah, too much of a leap for me. Can't be everything to everybody, you know? But stay in your lane. Kentucky Fried Chicken, Colonel Sanders, he's a one thing, chicken. And those potatoes, though. He's he's branched off. He's got those wedges, those seasoned wedges. It took him like 60 years to get into wedges. But yeah, mashed potatoes and gravy. That's a potato. Size this up. Like one, we'll start step one, two, three. Oof. Stop your whining. Inside day candle, big body candle, small body inside the big body. Will it stay inside? Will she give birth to a red candle? It's a boy. Ooh. It's twins. Look at that. Look at that.
Sell, sell, sell.
Ooh, another inside day candle. What time? Ooh, baby within a baby, right? The baby had a baby. Usually, if you try to interpret the inflation, the CPI data, CPI was hotter than forecast, but lower than the previous number. And that would mean that the Bank of Japan would normally raise interest rates to fight inflation. And if the Bank of Japan raises interest rates to fight inflation, it's supposed to be a weaker or stronger yen. A stronger yen. Stronger yen would mean Aussie yen would start to fall some more, right? Uh, but we are in the news event, and we really didn't get much of a push from that news event. 36. We actually had a drop. But this 95.25 quarter line is a lot of there's a lot of support above the quarter line. The quarter line is here. 95.25. Like, we had a real sharp drop and then a rebound. Is this an A, B, C? Or will we get stopped out? 746. We're at 95.27 by 29. We didn't get a real formal test of the 95.25 area, but there is like a 3 pip spread. The lowest we got was 25.6. That's what we did. We bounced off we basically double bottomed in that 95.25 area. It wasn't enough. It was enough to satisfy the Bears or the Bulls. I'm going to remove this. The line we're focused on is this line here. And a little bit of an acceleration of the line right here. Well, we got the 200 simple moving average. Don't know if that's going to deter this advance. Well. Okay, we're stopped out the spread. Price hadn't even got there, but the spread kicked us out. The Japan core inflation dips to lowest since March as rice price shock shows sign of fading. So I mean, our stop was at 30, but price didn't even get there. The spread took us out, which is let's trade something with a smaller spread. And maybe with more price stability, more stable price. I think maybe we'll try the euro or the pound. I think something was neutral. Oh yeah, that looks pretty. That looks really good. Let's see if the higher time frame gives us strength as well. This is our 30-minute chart. A nice rebound from the lows here. Lows of 34.06, and we're at 34.19. Been a much better structured trade. Probably with a target of the 34.26 area. You maybe need a little bit of a pullback as requested. I put my request in for a pullback. I'm gonna check on the NQ. We did drop. Didn't get to our take profit though. I wouldn't I wouldn't advise anybody to trade it. You have to have the real, you're not Forex, you get real-time data, but you don't get real-time data with futures. There's an exchange, and exchanges, they don't make profit by giving away free data feeds. And there's no Forex exchange. So that's why the data is usually free. Man, I would like to have gotten a bigger pullback than 11.4% or 11% retracement. Long at one spot 3419, and maybe it's gonna give me my pullback that I'm looking for. I was looking for. I was actually looking ahead for this bounced long wick for us to shoot upward toward the 3425 area. Just like right here. Oh, we give us 5.5 pips. Ooh. Well, I think it's on its way to the 23% retracement, which is this green line here, one spot 3418. All right. Okay, stalled out here. 34.19. Looks like we're gonna go somewhere. But we got 4 minutes before 8 o'clock. That's usually see our money train, seeing our big move to the upside, maybe. But we have a double top here, so I'm not too sure here what our southbound train is gonna do. We're gonna southbound train or northbound train. Uh, you know, missed a pretty good start. Hey, Barry's there. Hi there. Hi, Barry. We got this higher time frame GU. Maybe we'll get another push higher. $7.57. You have Dr. Greg here. Ex Asia session scalping. Oh, and a pullback. Strong pullback. Yeah, down 2 pips. 2 big pips. Inside day. Dollar is showing some strength there. ABC. So that all the you see that indecision doji, we're inside that, but I think we completed our 3-wave correction or ABC. Hit the 30% retracement. The 200 is there. We're down 2.3 pips. Up. We broke the trend line, but it didn't turn green. No. Trying at the 38% retracement. Oof. I'm out. Come on. Wow. Well, let me out. Ooh. Okay. Well, that didn't work. Man, 2 in a row. What's going on? Let's check out the DXY, the dollar index. Well, I want to see this as the dollar index. And go back here. I want that as the pound dollar. There we go. Cable. Look at that. Look at that reversal, huh? We gotta take. Okay. Okay. Can we get 27 out of that? 134.28. A long wick. Fishing expedition. Seriously, deep sea fishing, like swordfish fishing. We had the long swordfish, deep sea fishing. We're up 1.5 pips on two mega lots, right? So they're gonna call 10 standard lots. We'll call it the mega lot. You heard it first here. What you trading a mega lot? ABC wave down. Maybe another wave. One up, two down. C or three up. Go 134.19. 19 and 5/10, 4/10 of a pip by 7/10 of a pip. So we can break this top side resistance here. We got resistance up here at the 34.19. Can we break on through? Break on through to the other side. Oops, Steve is here. Saying something to me? Oh, doing great. Glad to see you. Oh, you messaged me privately. Yeah. And Jeff is here. Yeah, and Jeff Dalen says hi. Ooh, back. Well, let's see. Show some love. Get paid. Oh, okay. Congrats away on you. Yeah, yeah. Well, if you are up after maybe after we get done, I can look you up. Nice. Took two trades to move up. Sweet. I'm trying to hold on these a little bit longer. See if we get maybe 5 pips out of it. There's three right there. Actually, that's 1.5 because I've got two lots on. Are you trading? I was going to ask you to share. Thank you. Oh, you're pound out and get some ETH too? You got some ETH. Yeah, you figure that crypto's not going to stay down too long, right? Oh, what's going on there? Oh no. Oh, my mini trade. I finally made money in that trade. I was using delayed data. I was confused. That's not it. Executions, settings, trade, executions. Yeah. Okay, I got filled. Okay. So the data is delayed. That is why this, when I put the trade in, it didn't even show where I entered, like way far away from the. So anyway, we made money in NQ with delayed data. It's like landing a plane flying blind, Well, usually the majors and the Nasdaq go in the same direction. So I kind of took a shot at shorting it because everything else was going down. The dollar was heading up, but that didn't last very long. I mean, look, this thing is stuck at 34.20, 19 by 20. Yeah, a nice uptrend. I did share what you were doing. Oh, nice. 784. Yeah, 240, 230. Yeah, when you trade to the standard lots, you can grab, you can grab 2.4 pips.
Check my last message to you, Greg.
Last message. Oh, Ether was this morning. Okay. So you might be predictive function on 1 and 5 minute. Bullish or bearish? When you say P.
Bearish.
Oh, okay. All right. I'll take it. Okay. 5, 1. That's it. See something, say something. Oh yeah. I see it. I'll tap it. Short at 34.18. Thanks for the heads up, buddy. Scalping on the way down. Let's go.
Sell.
I'm gonna put a stop loss though. Yeah. Mental stop loss. Yeah, crazy. You got mental stop loss, right? The spread though, that's the thing. I'm not even worried about you actually getting stopped out. I don't want to get stopped out on the spread. I don't want this to it just widens out and then price didn't even get over here. It just stops me out, right? So I put 4. I'm gonna put 5 in there, right? The spread will have to widen out by 5. It's already a pip, right? So take profit. The last major low, 130.06. And see, we're below the 25 line. So the quarterback, they want their quarterback, right? The 1980s wants their quarterback. So the round number is probably the target. Ooh, let's get off this 1 minute chart. It's going too slow. Ah, there we go.
Sell, sell, sell.
Again, no charts were harmed in the filming of this video. Come on. Hang on loosely and don't let go. You're gonna lose control. That's I know what that song meant. Yeah. What are you hanging on to? Nah, it's a family show. Don't ask that question, Greg. What you talking about? Take 2/3? I don't know how. Let's see. No, I have to switch it that. Right click it, maybe? Oh. Oh, look at that. Oof. I'm learning something new. How? Yeah, I want to take profit. 12 pips. I don't want to close the whole thing out. Oof. Oof. I don't think this is it. Quantity at risk. Exits. Price. Pips. Oof. I don't think I take that. Whatever. Should figure that out already. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Wisdom. Don't be greedy because we know the bias is north. So there was this A, B, C. I this sideways move, these two big sideways moves, just like totally threw me off. I thought I had a count on it. Now I'm like going, I don't know. I've got Dalen over here from Dallas, and he's on Texas time, and I'm on Pacific time. Pacific time for me, I don't get started till like 11. We've been starting at 9. So if I appear to be a little out of it, that's I do need my beauty sleep, you know. Oh, I'm gonna cheat. It's like, you always cheat, Craig. Yeah, I cheat. I'm gonna what does it say? Jeff was right. A, B, C, right? I like to just kill this thing and start. Look at that. 15. Hold low, wave 4 low. Target the wave 4 low. Trend line. It's like a little steep. 15. Is that the highest high? Yeah, that is. Look at this. It's just okay. Give me one green candle, and I'm hit me, bite me.
I couldn't never laugh at that one. Oh God.
Like,
Yeah, you can tell he was loading that one up, Rodney.
Oh my
Bang,
goodness.
bang, bang.
I'm like,
Air one, beer two. Don't you do this.
We're just gonna tap that 200 and then be off to the races north. We'll see.
Got tase it, you know. Big one. Big one. Oh, wrong way. What is it? Is it 200 on this one? On the 1 minute? Ooh, 14.
Yeah, it was on the 1 minute.
Oh, 1 minute. Oh. Oh, yeah. Mm. Come on. Come on. Pay me. I said, pay me. Let's go. If that's C. Come on. Air one, beer two. There you go.
Bye, bye, bye!
Come on. Come on. 34.15. Ooh. Got another one like that, right? Air one, beer two. See you three later. Come on. Oh, oh, there we go. There we go.
Bye, bye, bye!
Now you all this bullish Elliott way going crazy, right? I don't need you now. Like, yeah, narf. There we go. Stack it. Well, air one, beer two. See or three later. Well, let's get to the 200. Well, no. Mm. Well, there we go. There we go. Oh, I'm taking that. Here we go. A or 1, B or 2, C or 3 later, right? I'll come back. Don't just keep going. I want a hit. Somebody sell. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back again. That's it. That's it. There you go. Come on back to Papa. Oh. Ugh. Okay. $10, $10, $20, $20, $10, $30. I hit 50. I hit 40. $10 again. Oof. Big one, big one. Oof. $50. I'll take $50. I don't know. Kind of like maybe a little more than $50. It's running. One little pullback, one break. Jeff. Oh, you got something in there. You put something in there? Oh, dang, Jeff. Jeff went ham. Jeff. Okay. There we go. There we go. Green to red, red to green. What? Did it get to 25? That'd be a nice little run there. That's 5 pips. Okay, just kick back and get that. Look at that. My target, my little zone, our perfect entry zone on B. I was a little early, stacked it into there. But still, that was pretty good. There you go. $10, $10, $10, $10. $20, $20, $40, $40. I put in $1 million worth of currency, they're gonna give me $30. I'm flipping $1 million. $30, $30, $20. I'll take the 30. Well, let me move these drawings. Let's do a little bit of like math. And the 3.236 expansion. 4.236 at. Man, we're all these expansions out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's pull back. Okay. No worries, because I hit it. Okay. Let's put a retracement in there. All right, put the retracement on. Remove you. Whoa, 38. Don't like the 38. Maybe. Kind of like it's like a little tasty there. Ooh, went down to the 50. Didn't like the 38. Well, squeeze your bobs at the 50. Maybe you like the 50. I think you like the 50. I think you do. Inside day candle, small body, green candle. Next candle up. Oof, red. Take your finger off the trigger, Greg. Green, slightly green. The trap. 2 greens. Ah, they got me. Oh, don't do the Huckleberry Hound looking candle. The 2 jaws hanging on the side. Doji, 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 doji. We're having a sale on dojis, guys. We got red ones, we got green ones, we got fat ones, we got small ones. Take your pick. We got take the doji home. We'll give it shots. We'll give it we'll spay and neuter it. Give a doji a home. Hey, little doji. Let's go. Let's gonna take profit. It's way up there, huh? Maybe let's get 5 pips out of it. Can I get us 5 pips out of that? It's 5. 5 pips is 22. Ah, 22 is right there. Okay. It's 5 pips right there. 5. Give me 5. I got 5 on it. Give me 5. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C 1. A, B, C 2. And then 3 later. 3 later. 3 later, alligator. Da, 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 da. After a while, crocodile. 3 later, alligator. 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 After a while, crocodile. All right. More dojis for sale. These are long-legged dojis. They don't eat much, and they clean up after themselves. Just gotta take them out for a walk every now and then. Oh, doggies. Oh, I thought you were talking about my mistake. You're talking about dojis, not doggies. Ah. Ah. That's what want to make the report look good, maybe, you think? Having extra winning trades in there. You think that might look tasty? Tasty good? Like, I don't know. Breakout. What are you doing, Greg? I know. Thank you. Just doing my job. Nothing to see. Just doing my job. This help. Register, baby. Let's get paid. Let's go.
Bye!
Uh oh, Chungos, Danger Island. Man, that 34.19 is like solid. Bam, 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 bam. Well, I don't know about that. Oof. Inside day candle, small body green reversal. Ooh. Gave birth to a red candle down to the 38% retracement. Ooh, another. I thought we get a breakout heading to the 34.26 area. Our oscillator is still above the zero line. Barely. Don't panic. It's just a little bit of turbulence. We just fell out of the sky. And oof. Hit me. Hit me. Big one. Trend line break, color change. There we go. Maybe premature on that one. We need a break above the high. Like now, like big one, like a big bullish engulfing candle. Break up that 34.20. Head on to the promised land, 34.22. Oh, it's gone. 22 is gone. Oof. Oof. 22 is gone. Give me 4 pips. 22. Oh. Well, we don't need the Fibonacci anymore. We bounced off that. Looks so naked without it. A or 1, B or 2. Oh, we got some swing points. We got a swing point here, got a swing point there, got a swing point there. Shake it all about. Do the hokey pokey. 100% expansion takes 34.20. Oof. Well, the 1.618, 34.22, maybe 22.2, not 22.6. And we move our line. We can marvel at our great entry, but it does us no good. So we just, there we go. Come on. There you go. There you go. A or 1, B or 2, C or 3 later. Big one. Next card, please. He needs a king on the turn. Got pocket rockets or cowboy twins. He's on the big blind. Poker talk for you guys. Will know Texas Hold'em. All in. It's like, no. He is all in. $34.19, 2 by 19.6. You're trading the British pound with Dr. Greg Asia session. What's all the excitement going on in the Asia session? It's Dr. Greg. Ooh, small body candle. No. Go. Come on. Go. Come on. You can do it. Go, go, go. Mm. Tase you. Oh, you like that? You like this? Let's fire some warning shots. Dance! Dance, I say! How does he do it? Oof. Ah, $4. Oof. Just going down. Maybe I want to drop down to a 5-second chart. Let's. All right. There we go. Oh, too fast. 50 seconds. Oh, it's there too. Okay. All right. Just wanted to like go and move. Go up 3, 4, or 5 pips, not the other way around, you know? He's cheating again. Oh, come on. You know, the 19, usually if it hovers around 19, it crosses right into the 20s. You got all these levels, and there's nothing on the other side. So you got all this space. Yes, really, from the double bottom, you have this double bottom here, right? And this is this is like should be easy, right? Double bottom, typical target for the double bottom is at 34.26. That's it. If we don't do anything else, right? That's the love boat. Let's get on the lazy river. Just right on up. And even your Fibonacci expansions should all point to the should all point. Yeah, you see 100% expansion, it goes right to the top. So but this is just pulling back. I mean, it's like fractions of a pip, right? And the 5-minute chart, the candle doesn't even move. Inside day, small body candle inside a large body candle usually leads to a green candle. Let's see. The envelope, Johnny. Ah, it's a green candle. It was. Now it turned red. But how do you know? It was. You were green. Ooh, now you're gonna go red, red. You know, take the money. I know, Missouri. Rod says, take the money. It's like, yeah, I got back in again. Double top. Here we go. The 200 simple moving average. Where we go again? Okay, it's hammering at the 200. Double top A, B, C. Let's maybe even take a look. So what does it say? B. Oh, snap. Really? So it wouldn't say this was C. Wow, that's a big drop. I don't want you to go that far. And the market don't care what you think, Greg. Or you silly little fools. They smell the reek of elderberries. Nobody can forecast the market, Greg. You're just an ordinary human being. Eh, I'm from Mars. Let's go. Go. Really, I didn't look at this. I would only see this. If I only saw this, I wouldn't even pay attention to it, right? And it won't change for another 5 minutes. And if I went up to here, I really would pay attention to it, right? 15 minutes. I mean, I'll get another candle for 15 minutes. Which means I'll get another candle in 2 minutes, right? You don't see anything. You don't know any of that little price action. All that stuff we did was inside this candle. There's no record of it. You wouldn't know all the millions of people swimming around in here. You're just oblivious. It's a whole new world. A world of chaos, a world of volatility, of tiny moves that can shake the very essence of mankind. There's nothing going on. I don't see a thing. Over here, it's the party going on over here. Party over here, party over there, over here. Oh, I'm not as negative. Well, I have a new candle because the 815 candle came out. Now I saw some action. But our equity is back to where it was. It's more fun watching this, yeah. But if you want to hold on to it to target, you can't really watch this. I'm gonna watch a little part off to the side, right? But I'm gonna focus over here, right? One spot 3418 by one spot 3419. We got a 0.7 pip spread, 7/10. Pip stands for percentage in points. We got a new Steve Urkel quiz bot. Any guys been playing around with that? Kind of fix it so it can actually display pictures. Doji. Kind of like spinning top, maybe. $8.47. Well, you haven't played since the other day. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Dalen put on his phone, and while we had breakfast, and he was like, he was on the bot while the food was. I thought, were you playing a game or something? Are you chatting? Saying, oh no, no, talking with the bot. It's like talking with a bot. Actually, the bot was his idea. He's like, hey, Greg, I wish there was a way we could have questions. I think you learn more when something asks you questions right away. And I go, yeah, I think I got a bot for that. I'm also gonna have the bot hook into everybody's spreadsheet, see who's actually doing the simulation and who's not. You have not used your simulator today, Jay. Is there something wrong? No, Hal. It's like, should I open up the airlock? Well, look at that. All right. All right. It's getting excited now. There we go. You're in this candle, don't even know what's going on. You see your equity actually get less negative, but then you look over here, it's like, that's what's going on, right? All right, this is when you start going, no.
Bye bye bye!
Nice double bottom, rounding bottom at the 200 moving average on the 15-second chart. Well, Greg, shorter time frame charts support and resistance is not really viable. Oh, yeah? What do you call this then? You really shouldn't trade those short-term volatile charts, Greg. They're highly risky. I'm risking 5 pips to make 5 pips or 5 pips to make 10. I don't know. Seems pretty safe to me. Mr. Wall Street, keep people from making money person. Ooh, got a double bottom on the 15-second chart, which kind of matches the double bottom on the 15-minute chart. Except that this is falling out of bed a lot faster. Well, how powerful is this double bottom? Will it hold up to the test? Protected by the 200 moving average. Our angle gets steeper. Draw along the corners of the candles. Look at that. They stepped in there. Somebody said, no, 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 I don't think so. I don't think so. Rejected. Oh, he stepped on the 200, went boom, smackdown. Get out of here. We got higher low, low, higher low. Small trend forming. A new Fibonacci expansion kind of got a low, you have a high and a higher low, an A, B, C. Well, 34.19, 1.68, 161.8% expansion, 34.20. There we go. Go. Go, Roman, go. They could double top at 34.19. Don't want that to happen. But right now it's stuck at the 618. It usually never stops at the 618 on an extension. I don't even know why I even have it on here. Probably you forgot to take it off. And you don't know where it is. Oh, there it is. There we go. Six when it rarely turns price around from the extension side. From the fib side, from the retracement pullback, 618 will stop price or can stop price. Yeah, there you go. There you go. You know how to play the game. Come on, I schooled you this morning. I said, look, make me look good, go up to like, 34.25 or so. Then I'll go and press that applause button. We get it all scoped out, Is Greg talking to Price again? Don't you? We're not crazy, Greg. 19. No, 19. Paul Hardcastle. 19. Vietnam, 19. Vietnam. Well, that's the 100% expansion. I know I say I usually take profit the 100%, but I'm not even in the money yet. Come on. Give me the 1.618. But you can see like that was the 618 and it dropped, went to the 100% expansion, dropped. Let's see if it reaches up to the next. Oof. I'm gonna borrow this one. Can I borrow your trend line, please? Can I borrow the gray coupon? Yes, you could borrow my gray coupon. And an uptrend usually breaks out north. Usually, if we have good liquidity, I think we have really good liquidity. I mean, these moves on a pound dollar during Asia session, this is phenomenal. Because we had Jackson Hole this week. We still have there we go. Well, don't be shy. I know it's 100% expansion. I know he won't hurt you. I said he won't hurt you. Keep going. 127, 2, 34.20. No, you can't do that. You can't yet. Keep going. But Mom, I don't want to get out of bed. I'm not going to church. Honey, you're the pastor. Get up. Or the Joel Osteen. I'm not going to church. They don't like me. Oof. Here we go. 50 and 618. It's fun when it's going your direction, you know? You're like, yay, fun, fun, fun. Now it's like, ah. Then you want to like slide it back over and say, maybe I don't want to watch this. Yeah. But maybe I should have my stop below that wick at 34.13. We're at 18. That's like 5 to wow, look at that. You don't even see that on the 15-minute chart. Ooh, look at that long wick. That's a long-legged doji. That's what it's called. It's called a long leg. Oh, in your face, smackdown. Again, if you're on the 15-minute chart, I don't see anything. Nothing to see here. Move along. It's our resurrection. This thing was dead. It's like it jumped up. Like Lazarus, the little Lazarus candle. Lazarus, come forth. Somebody call? That's a Pinocchio bar. Hey guys, let's get short. Yeah, go ahead. Let's go. Oops, sorry about that. How'd that work out for you? Never trust a wooden puppet. Oh, break out to a new high. Let's go. 9 o'clock candle coming up. Let's go. 127 expansion. Look, 127. And it backed off. Come on. Don't be shy. There we go. That's where you want. You want the 1.61 expansion, 34.20. Especially after a big pop down like that, you want a cold one, right? This bud's for you. For all you do. Engulf this bud. Or have a McLeod. Tonight is very special. Tonight. That's low and proud. That'll be low and proud. I didn't make that anymore. I'm singing a song of a product that no longer exists. 1.618. Go. Got $1,000. Take it. 900. You slipped me. Ah. No, you're leaving the station without me. No. FOMO. No. Come on. 20. Did we hit 26? No. We can still do it. It's only make $300, you know. It's like, man. It broke, filled the gap, broke through the 1.618, the 224% expansion, the 2.618 expansion, and the 323% expansion. Yeah, but Greg, you're long at the top, yeah, I know. Silly me. Anyway. That was fun. You guys have fun? You learn anything? Yeah. Learn don't trade like Greg. That's 1929. Yeah, this is a better day. Yesterday really I stunk it up yesterday, guys. We had 2 losses. Don't count this one. I'll take one. Come on. Oof. Fun. Till daddy takes keys away. Hey, I was just getting started. It's like, no, you've had enough. Time for you to go home. Pick up the package, go home now. All right. Guys, thanks so much, guys. You have a great weekend. God bless you guys. Be safe. And Jay, if you're around in the afternoon, maybe we can grab